that anal leakage thing.
Okay, go ahead.
Where did you go up there, Burns? Just out of curiosity, is it to the site on the left side? Joe, is this a complete drop-off we're about to go off of?
Yeah, it's not awesome. I'm going to be honest. You're going to want to... Actually, if you can come driver's side, it'll be more okay. But let me back up first.
You don't want a heavy Chevy on your fender?
No, come driver's side. Come driver's side. Now go down. Straighten out just a little bit. Straighten out, straighten out. Okay. You're gonna rub your rock climber on the driver's side. That's okay. Go driver's side, driver's side, driver's side. Okay, now hold that line. Yeah, I know. Just I'm videotaping. So just go straight. Hold on. Now you're gonna drop big time on the rear on the driver's side. You will probably right now hit. Oh, just ride the brakes, dude. Just yeah, ride the brakes. Just ride them, ride them, ride them, ride them. Slow, slow, slow. You're gonna drop right about now. You're still slight. Oh, that's perfect. Give it the beans. Go. That was well done. Idiot. Fucking idiot.